Yay. How are you feeling today, Kelise?
Good.
Yeah?
But I just the playground.
Yeah? What are you doing today?
I told that I'm a big girl.
Wow. Are you feeling a lot better now?
Yeah, it was a big girl day.
That's good. How are you, Kelise? Are you in the train?
Yeah, chugga woo woo, chugga woo woo.
There's a slide down here. Do you want to try the slide?
Oh, I'm saying chugga woo woo.
Do you want to try the slide over here?
I love this train.
Yeah? Cool. This is Kelise. Fun day at the park.
Yeah.
What do you want to try now?
Hi everyone. My name is Kelise. I'm at the park with my dad.
Wow.
And you're gonna play the park too.
Right here. The camera's over here. Where are you exploring now, Kelise? Ooh, cool. That swings. Is this your favorite place to swing?
Yeah. I knew one swing. Hi everybody.
What are you doing, Kelise? Tell everybody what you're doing.
I'm good.
Oh, it's wet in there. It's dirty. Hang out in here.
It's dirty.
It's okay. Find a little seat right there. Say hi, everybody.
Hi everybody.
Over here. Look at this window.
Hi everybody.
What are you doing, Kelise?
I'm doing fine.
Are you in the train? Wow. How was your day?
It's good.
Yeah?
Yeah, let's play.
Does it feel good to play up the outside?
Yeah.
That's good. Let me see your nose. Hope you don't got a runny nose.
Look.
Okay.
Look.
Wow. Tell us, what did you eat for lunch?
I eat. The boys gonna go to playground.
Okay.
Hi.
What do you want to say? Come on, look. Say, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Oh, let's fix your hair. Come here. Come on, fix your hair. Come.
Say, Crazy Hair Kelise Show.
Let's fix your hair. Watch your step. These are cute little New Balances. Come on. Mommy, fix your hair. You need your own though.
Silly face.
Mom?
Mm-hmm.
What did you find over there? Hey, babe, film that. Part of
Can
our
help
little
her?
TV show.
Okay. Oh, is it filming now?
Yeah.
All right, Dad's gonna help you get on the tree.
Me and Kelise, we found a tree trunk. What are you gonna do? You wanna go on top? And Dad hold you? Yeah? Let's go. Ready? I'll hold you. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
It's an adventure.
We're in Kelise's adventure. What do you see? Is that water right there?
Wow.
We see some water in here. Do you want to show the people your water in there? Here, let's look at this water right here. Look, Kelise, show them what you found. Water inside of a tree trunk. Wow. Okay, we're going to come back down. Are you ready? There you go. All right, wave. Say thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Does that look like an apple? Let's go. Let's show everybody what we found.
Look what we found.
Show it. Point at it. What is it?
It's an apple.
Did somebody take a bite out of it?
Looks like someone bit the apple. Come over here. Look it. Wow, it's an apple right here. Cool. I don't know. What is that? Looks like the inside.
What's inside?
And you can see from the top, there's a hole on the top. Do you want to look on the top?
Oh, wow.
Look
Look,
on
you
the
can
top.
see
There's a hole
inside, too.
Wow. Look at the hole.
That's
All right. That was an apple on our trail. Okay, let's keep going. What is it, Kelise? Uh-oh, it's missing a beak. Go over there. Show everybody what you found.
Look, it's
What is this on it? Some kind of like
Go
legend?
closer, Kelise.
Look, it's kind of like a Halloween one because it looks a little
Go
scary.
investigate the duck.
Yeah,
What did you
let her-
find?
I want to go play.
Yeah, let her go play because
Okay,
it's a
this
little
duck
creepy.
looks scary.
Look
See?
at the front of it.
Let's go with me.
I'll see you on YouTube.
See you on YouTube.
Okay, let's go.